Happy 4th of July!
Yay, 4th of July!
It is!
And we're roasting some s'mores, and then after we go to the s'mores, we'll then go to the pilot toe.
Okay.
And the pilot toe is literally you just sit down and watch some fireworks. So that they so, and you just watch the fireworks.
That's right.
You don't do them, you just watch.
That's right. So we've been swimming today
And
on these awesome pool floaties. We did a whole obstacle course challenge, so we'll link that. It was fun. Don't these floaties look cool? They look like yummy, real food we could eat. Honey, you're not in your swimsuit. Acelie just woke up from her naps.
And she's in the pool.
That's right. So we're making some s'mores with our awesome fire. We're gonna do a s'mores challenge. We have s'mores all summer long.
I hear s'mores.
So of course we have them on 4th of July. And so we're gonna each make our best s'more. Yes, you can have one. Okay, who wants to know the rules? Do we know the rules? Do we have rules? We're gonna make your very best attempt of a s'more. You can like whatever you want it to be like. You use your imagination, and we're gonna let everybody. We're gonna let everybody vote whose s'more they like the best. Okay?
Okay.
Should be pretty easy. AC needs to roast one, don't you? Whoa, you burnt yours, girl. Okay, AC's turn. Be careful. Yes, it's very hot.
This is my s'more.
Very hot. Do you want to put it in? Come here. You can do it. Careful. Careful.
This is my s'more.
My goodness, you're gonna kill somebody.
2 chocolate.
This is your best attempt that we're gonna judge. Okay, here's Dahlia's.
2 chocolate layers, so you get all the melted chocolate.
Okay.
2 graham crackers like usual, and then one nicely where it's gooey on the inside and toasted on the outside with marshmallow. Now I'm done with mine.
Okay, so you just used one marshmallow and you didn't burn it. You just got it all gooey. Okay, that's Dahlia's choice.
This is mine. I'm gonna go with mine. I bumped in my mouth and then put 2 layers of top to it melted. And then 2 graham crackers.
Okay, so Lesia has 2 layers of chocolate and she is a very, very burnt marshmallow. So if you like burnt marshmallows, you're gonna pick hers. Okay, so this is Dylan's attempt. What'd you do?
I burnt 2 marshmallows.
Okay, so there's 2 marshmallows on your thing that are burnt.
Yep.
With what?
Some chocolate.
Okay.
Graham crackers.
And that's Dylan's perfect s'more. Okay, that's Acele's s'more. She's got a yummy ooey gooey marshmallow and some graham crackers. We're hoping she doesn't notice whether there's not chocolate on it. Is that yours? Can you eat it? Mmm. Is it good?
It's next level strategy.
So this is Doven as
It's not done yet.
he's like a s'mores connoisseur. And you're all going all out, my goodness. Alright, so this is how Mommy does it. 4. You gotta get 4 marshmallows. Otherwise it's not marshmallowy enough. And then you gotta let them get burnt to a crisp.
That's how they're the best.
Dylan and Mommy like burnt marshmallows.
And me.
You do too? We got Lesia join the team.
But Doven don't want that. Or me.
That looks good. You let it burn all the way, eventually the fire just goes right on out. You don't even have to blow it. There it went, all gone flame. Okay, so this is Mommy's 4 burnt marshmallows, 1 slice of chocolate in the graham crackers. See, that looks perfect. That looks like a s'more. It's awesome. All right, Mommy's gonna make a double-decker mound of awesomeness. All right, there's Dylan's triple-decker. Wow, that's pretty cool.
Except no chocolate.
All right, here's Mommy's s'more. This has 8 marshmallows on it. And it's going to be amazing.
Epic.
It is. It is an epic s'more. It's very hard to eat. It's coming out. You want a cookie? Hi, this is Daddy's s'more. Let's see.
That's all I need.
Turn it to the side because we can't see it. There's Daddy's. What'd you do? What'd you put on it?
Chocolate marshmallow.
How many marshmallows?
2.
And they were burnt, or were they like gooey, or how were they?
Lightly burnt. A little bit gooey. Still a little bit firm on the inside.
And 1 layer of chocolate?
2 layers.
2 layers of chocolate. Okay. Okay, so here's Doven's.
Alright, so this is my perfect s'more. It's like glazed with chocolate on both sides.
Wow.
The marshmallow is wrapped in chocolate on the inside, and then the marshmallow is so gooey and perfect.
All right. How is it? Wow. That's amazing. Okay, so
You said you're sitting in the slide.
we came to see some fireworks. We're trying a new place this year. And it's extremely crowded, but we got fortunate enough to find this actual park here. And so we think we can see it hopefully right over this way. We hope we can see the fireworks. So we're not actually at the actual event because we're about 15 minutes away from firework time. But the kiddos are going to play on the park and we're going to have some fun. Acelie's all ready. You're leaning back, you're reclining. Is that fun? Acelie's looking very festive. And she matches her sister, Lesia. Okay, we're gonna check out this playground. This looks cool. We've never been to this playground. We're not super close to our house, so. Come on, Acie. Want to tell everybody what happened to you?
I think I might have blacked out for like a second.
Uh-oh. Yeah, she scraped her knees on the pool. And so it hurts to walk. Ruined her little 4th of July.
Look at that playground over there.
Oh, it got fenced off. That's alright. Let's enjoy another part. Yeah, it would be. Acelie's having fun up here. Or maybe Acelie's scared. That's a lot of booms. Acie was not scared last year,
I don't think she's
but
going on.
she's scared this year. Last year was Acelie's first 4th of July, so this is her second 4th of July, and tomorrow is Acelie's birthday. Acelie turns 2. What are you gonna do?
Hey, you wanna come ride this fun ride thing?
This is what big brothers are good for. You're not sure. You feel scared. Well, this is a good spot for Adalia because she didn't have to walk far at all. But this was a bad spot for Acie and all these scary fireworks. Okay, here's our spot. And it started just right over here. Woo. This spot is fantastic. We can see them. It wasn't crowded. They're so pretty.
Those are so pretty, aren't they?
Acelie doesn't know what to think. We got everybody. We got Lesia. Hi. What'd you think? Was it good? Yeah. Lesia had a good time next to me. And AC made it through. Was it okay? You did pretty good job. What did you think, Adalia? You liked it? Worth it? Weren't you so lucky? We didn't even have to walk far. Did you like it?
Yeah, it was awesome.
It really was, wasn't it? That was really good.
I like when it goes really big.
Yeah, the finale.
What a quiet show.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was way too quiet.
Yeah, I know. I was calling, hey, Dylan, did you like it? And you had no idea. It's like having...
He has music playing in his ears.
I know. Did you have something patriotic going on?
I have nothing patriotic on here.
That's a shame. We couldn't leave before Lesia swings. Can you even get up there? Oh my goodness. Doven the monkey. Higher, higher, higher. Hi, okay, so we're home now. It's still 4th of July, but we're doing something real special.
So I bought these fireworks from Mexico. You can go check out that video. But so now we're actually lighting them off because I didn't get a chance to do it in Mexico, so...
Yeah, we weren't sure about the laws and we felt a little nervous, so now we're going to do it because it's 4th of July.
Alright.
Okay.
So it's nothing like pretty, it's more like a bomb. It's going to
That's
make
right.
a noise.
It's going to make a big noise and you're going to hear a huge noise, and that's all it's going to be.
Alright.
Woo! Yep. That was
Wow.
It was really neat.
Okay.
Oh my god.
They put the light off.
1, 2, 3.
What? Everyone's like, ah! I'm like,
All right, it's late, so we are going to close out this vlog and say
bye! Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July. See you guys next time.
See ya!
Bye.
We hope you guys enjoyed our video, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. And click that video right there for some more awesome content.
Wait a second. Watch this one right here. Pick the one I like. Make sure you got this video right here. That's my favorite video.
Guys, you should watch this one. It's awesome.
But seriously guys, hit that video right there. And we'll see you guys next time.